Welcome to the front of me Oppo Find X5 Pro, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first we should open the Google folder and then launch the Gmail application. After that, click here on the right upper corner, and now you can see that we're logged in into two accounts at the same time. Now just to log out from one from these Gmail accounts in our Gmail app, we should log out from the Google account on our device. So how to do that? We should click here to manage accounts on this device and click here to the Google section. Now just here we can see that we allow these our two accounts, and now for example we'll log out from the second one. So just click here and on the right upper corner tap on the three dots. Just click to remove account and confirm your action by click here to remove account again. And now you can see that here in Google account settings we stay only with one account, and when we'll go back into the application we can check and see that we stay in our Gmail app also only with one Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.